and welcome back. Today I'm with the recipe of dessert which is absolutely yummy and delicious and one of my favorite, that is apple pie. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make apple pie crust, we'll need 2 cups of maida, that is refined flour, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, that is powdered sugar, a pinch salt, butter. You have to make sure it's straight out of fridge, and cold water. To start, first we'll add refined flour, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, pinch salt. We'll need 150 grams of butter. Now just cut the butter in pieces. After cutting this into pieces, we'll add this in a refined flour. And using your hands, just give it a mix. Make sure from this you don't have to make a dough, just mix all the ingredients properly. You can see butter and dry ingredients are nicely mixed. We'll add 4 spoons of chilled water. Make sure your water is very chilled, and you have to put only 4 spoons, not more than that. After this, just mix it, but don't make a dough. Just mix all the ingredients well. You can also use food processor for this process. From this, I'll divide it into 2 parts. Divide it into 2, make round. Wrap this in cling wrap and put these straight into a fridge for at least 1 hour. So you can store this in a fridge for 1 month, and you can use it for any sort of tarts and pie. We'll be using these for apple pie. Now I'll store this in fridge for minimum 1 hour. You can keep it for as much as you want. So then we'll make pie filling. Now I'll add 50 grams of butter. Melt it. First we'll make sauce and then we'll add apples in it. Once the butter is melted, lower the flame and add 2 spoons of refined flour. Give it a quick mix. Make sure you lower your flame. Cook this sauce for 2 minutes. Now I'll add half cup of sugar and half cup of water. I have medium my flame. Now just cook this sauce for 3 minutes. Stir continuously. After 2 minutes, lower the flame and cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, my sugar is properly melted. Now I'll just close the flame. Now I'll just off the flame. I have taken a 2 medium size apple which I have peeled and cut it in slice. Now I'll add some pinced cinnamon powder in it and mix them well. This gives a nice flavor to a pie. Once all the apples are coated with cinnamon, just add all the apples in sauce. Our apple pie filling is ready. I have rested this for more than 1 hour. Sprinkle some flour and start rolling. With the help of this rolling pin, we'll take now we'll just with the help of knife, we'll cut all the extras. You can see the shell of the tart is absolutely ready. Now we'll just add our fillings. Now to just decorate with, I'll make pleats. I'll take another dough, sprinkle some flour and roll. With the help of pizza cutter, we'll make cuts. We'll make pleats. Taking the longest one, I'll put it in the middle. By covering this, once we have to keep it vertically and then horizontally. By making this, we'll just make a net on it just to decorate it. You can see our pie is ready. Now we'll just brush it with milk. You can also brush it with egg wash. Egg wash gives a nice color, but we don't eat eggs, so I'm using milk. Milk too gives you nice color to a tart. Now I'll just put this in oven and bake it for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I have baked this for 45 minutes. You can see how nicely it's baked The apple filling inside has bubbled up. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, cheddar cheese, anything you want. I'm decorating it with powdered sugar. How easy it is to make at home. So do try this recipe at your home. If you like this recipe, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.